Good morning students. In this video I will going to show how to solve exercise 14D question, that is question number 3. So we will start from exercise 14D question number 3, then we will solve 4, 5, 6, 7 like this. Okay. So let's read the question of question 3 first. Question say that using your protractor draw an angle of measure 36 degree. With this angle as given, draw another angle of measure 72 degree, verify the measurement. Okay. So question says that using your protractor. So first we'll draw a straight line. So any straight line of any measurement. In the straight line, keep a point here. Suppose this point is A and this is your protractor. Okay. This is your protractor. So with the help of this protractor we can solve this 36 degree. Okay, so keep the point here and match with the straight line, then draw 36 degree. 36 should be, if it is 0 degree, this side will be 0 degree, then where is 36 degree? If it is 0 degree, then 36 degree start from 0, so it will be 10, 20, 30 here, 36 degree. 36 will be here, so give a point here, 36 degree. Now you have to join this line. Okay, join this point to have 30. We will got the 36 degree. So now we got the 36 degree. This will be the 36 degree. Okay, with this is a protractor. I am keeping this point, center point here as A, and match this straight line, and I have drawn here 36 degree. Now question say that with this angle as given, so this angle is 36 degree, draw another angle of measure 72 degree. So without helping of this protractor, we are going to draw 72 degree. As you know, 36 into 2 is 72 degree, so double of 36 degree is 72 degree. So you have to draw the double of this angle. So same method will apply here. Draw an arc here. This is the arc here, and here you have to measure this. Just the arc, you extended this arc. Okay. This is the arc here. Draw a complete half circle here. So now measure this distance here. Okay. Here it is 36 degree. Now without changing the length, just cut the arc here. This will be 72 degree. Let's see it is 72 degree or not after joining. This is the point you got here. Just join the point with this A. Let's say this point is X, this is Y. So this is the point we got here, Y point. Let's see it is 72 or not. Keep the protractor matching with the center point and the straight line. If this is the 36 degree, then see, this is the 72 degree. It is 70 degree here and it is 72 degree. So from here to here, how much? Here to here it will be 72 degree. Okay. Now look at question number 4. Question number 4. What it says? Use a protractor to draw angle of 48 degree. So using this protractor, you have to draw these angles. First one is 48 degree. So straight line first. Draw a straight line. Take any point on the straight line. Then with the help of this protractor, match the center of this protractor with this and straight line. Now first is 48 degree. If you start from 0 degree here, then 40 will be here. This is 45, this is 48 here. Okay. Now this is the 48 degree. Join these points. You will get the 48 degree. Okay, yes. This is the 48 degree. Okay. Similarly, you can draw 75 degree, 122 degree and 118 degree. Also, this one 75 degree will be here, 70 is here, the 75 here, then after 75 it is 122 120 is here, 122 is here, then 118 will be here. Okay, this is homework for you, you will do in home. Now question number 5. Question number 5 says that with compass and ruler, so this is your compass and this is your ruler. Okay, construct each of the following angles. So first is giving 60 degree. The first angle we are going to draw, that is 60 degree. So with the help of compass and ruler we will draw 60 degree. How it is, I will show you now. So first draw a straight line, then take any point and this is your compass. We have to draw 60 degree. Take this metal point with match with this point. Draw the arc, any arc of any length. Okay, where it intersect this line, don't change this gap or distance or length, and keep the metal point here and cut the arc here. Cut this arc here. You will get what? 60 degree. This is your 60 degree. Just point this where it intersect this arc here and join this point, center point, and this arc where it intersect. This is your 60 degree. Okay. Similarly, what is 30 degree? 30 degree, as you know, half of 60 degree, if it is 0 degree, then this is 60 degree. So half of 60 will be 30. So you have to bisect it. Bisect means equal halves. How to bisect this 60 degree or half of 60 degree, I will show you. So take, this is the full length here, just take 50%, more than 50%, okay, not full. So more than 50% this one, okay, more than 50% is the, don't take half, more than half, that means more than half you take this length and draw the arc on both sides and keep the metal point again here and intersect. Now this point you got, this point is the 30 degree point. Just join this line, you will get here, this is the 30 degree. Now what is 90 degree? Okay, 90 degree how to draw? So here in this diagram I am showing in the same diagram all the degree, but you will do separately. Now for 90 degree use the same arc as it is. See this is the, now this is your 60 degree, keep the metal point here. This is 60 degree, keep the metal point here again and cut this one. This is your 120 degree, okay. And if you intersect this here and keep the metal point here, and this point you got, this point is your 90 degree. Join these points, this is your 90 degree, okay. So now 45 degree is half of 90. So how to do half of 90? So here to here is, it is 60 more than 50, 90 half is 45. So 60 is more than 50% of 90 degree. Take this arc and keep the metal point here and cut it. You will get here 45 degree. 45 degree. Okay. So now another diagram I will show you 45 degree again if it is not clear to you. So let's draw another diagram of 45 degree. So this is your straight line. I am drawing the straight line here and draw with the help of compass any arc you draw of any length. This arc I have drawn here. Keep the metal point here. This is your 60 degree and keep the metal point again here. This is your 120 degree because 60 into 2 is 120, and draw the arc like this to bisect this angle. Again keep here for 90 degree. For 90 degree you have to draw like this. Then join these points. Here if this is the center here, join this. This is your, you got the 90 degree here. This is your 90 degree. Now half of 90 is 45. So same method apply here, bisect it. This is the 50% of 90 degree and keep the metal point here and just bisect it and join these points. Join this point. This is a 45 degree. You go 45 degree. Now half of 45 degree will be half of 45 degree will be 22 and half degree. Then 75 degree is, this is your 120, half of 120 and 90. In between 75 will come, in between 90 and 60, 90 and 60, the 75 will come here. This is your 60 point, this is your 90 point. Do half of this, you will get 75 degree. Then 135 degree will come after 120. So in between 0 and this is which point here? 135, 120 plus 15 degree. So 15 means half of 30, half of 30. So 30 will be means here it is 30 and half of this will be what? 135 degree. Now 150 degree will be also here, 150 degree will be here, 120 will be here. So likewise you can draw any angle with the help of this compass. Okay. Now I will show you how to draw 135 degree. So take any straight line, this straight line, take any center point on the straight line, and with the help of this compass draw any arc of any length, any measurement, and we have to draw 135 degree. So first you have to draw the 90 degree or 120 degree. This is a 120 degree. Just join this point to know that it is 120 degree. Yes, this is a 120 degree. Okay. Now half of this 120 and this is 180 degree here. If it is 0 degree, this is your 180 degree and here it is 90 degree. So 135 degree will come here. Here it will come. So just bisect this 180 and 120. What you will get? Let's see. Take more than 50% and now join this with the help of a ruler. Let's see which angle you got here. Keep the protractor here matching with the center. This is 120 degree. Yes, 120. What you got here? This is your 150 degree. Okay, this is your 150 degree you got. 150 degree and 135 will come here. 135, just half of this angle, 150 and 120 you will get 135 degree. So from here to here more than 50% you take and draw the arc here. Draw the arc here and here also keep this point, metal point here. You get the bisecting point. Now you got a point here. So you are bisecting this 150 degree and this is your 120 degree. You will get which angle? Let's see. Just join after bisecting. Join this point. Let's see which angle you got. Keep the protractor center with match with the straight line center. This is your 120 degree. Now you got, this is your 135 degree. If you in between 150 and 120 you will get 135 degree. Okay, this is 120 degree, this is 135 degree. If you bisect 150, so how you got 150 degree? 120, 180 and 120. After bisecting 180 and 120 you got 150 degree. After bisecting 150 and 120 you got 135 degree, like this. Okay, and how to get 150? 150 means 180 and 120 bisection point, bisecting angles, that is 150 degree. Okay.